sheet color paper, white sheet, crayons, glue, scissors, knife, bottle. Friends, here I took plastic bottle and make into two parts. While cutting the bottle, I took adult help. I took half part of the bottle. Take the cardboard and cut it as shown. Now cover the outer side of the bottle with colorful paper to make attractive. Let's start decorating pencil case to look more beautiful. My rabbit pencil holder is ready. Now you can keep pencils. Friends, making a paper helicopter is so easy and simple. You can play in a room with the help of high-speed fan, and we get lot of fun with this. You can enjoy. Now turn on the fan and keep it on high speed.